Guys, good morning. Welcome to a new vlog. Today we're not starting our vlog on the road. So guys, I'm going for a quick delivery at Bariga. I'm going to Libra Logistics to do some delivery. So that's where we are headed right now. Have I just killing you? Okay, new way to Have I just killing you? Hi guys, so good morning. So my boss gave us water dispenser machine, and it has this Chinese things on it, and we didn't even know how to use it. So I'm going to one auntie that we usually get stuff from in our office to lend us water dispenser, empty plastic, so we can do some experiment with it and see how we can learn how to use the dispenser, because it's like a coffee maker machine and a water dispenser at the same time and a boiler at the same time. I don't know how to explain this, but let me just go meet the auntie, and I pray that she lent me the plastic so we can do some experiment and see if it will work. Yeah, that's what I'm headed to now. I'm almost at our store, so when I get there, I'll just please have to please lend me for a few hours. Let me just come and test it and see. I pray she gives me. I just pray she gives me. So guys, yeah, she gave me, this is the plastic. She actually gave me the plastic. So we're going to be putting water inside to test it if it will actually work. I just pray it works, because if it works, man, this will help us a lot with buying of water in the office. So let's go try it. Yeah, machine that we want to try out, the water dispenser machine that I'm trying out. So this is this I want to borrow. Yeah. I hate it when I forget things, and it pisses me off because my colleague took some things to the factory. Tell me why I received marble and bath tools and it left for the factory and I forgot the marble. Tell me why I forgot the marble. And they're here staring right into my face. And now Uber Lagos Uber, their shoulder pad is on another level. They're gonna frustrate your life. Because for me to get Uber to transport these things back to our factory in Ikorodu is gonna take forever, because they will keep canceling on me because they are selecting what they want to carry and what they can carry. God, why me? God, I beg. I am tired. I need another brain, another memory. Please, God, give me another one. I'm tired.